Okay, in my last video I changed the original wipers to these aftermarket ones, and these are $40 each. The other one you need is a TCB18. So these are the aftermarket ones you can get from super cheap, and then you get the refills, which is only $20. So the refills go in here. The originals would be obviously more expensive, and the TMR002 are refills for the original wipers, not for these. So be aware of that. The refill for those ones are this one here, the TRJ2028. Refill rubber, which is good, but you have to cut them. So and keep the steels from these ones, because you're going to need them on here. And the other thing is, cover your bonnet with something, because you get these marks here left behind by this fucking shit plastic. Seems to rub on it, but it does come off. Okay, so this is the old one here, this is the new one, and so line it up so you know that you got the right length, but we'll wait and see what we got. These are the bars left over from the other one, which don't throw those out thinking you're going to get some new ones with this, because it ain't going to happen. Now, there you go. Off. Okay, so if you get a little bit mixed up as to, like, that's the face wiper, and you're thinking, oh well, how the hell am I going to bend that? Well, if it goes the other way, see what I mean? So when you look at the arm, the end piece is going to go there, and the top piece there. Remember how I said you got the top piece up here? So once it clips on in there, that's what you need to lift to get the hook out. So lift that, and it's a push-pull, push-pull. How easy it should go on. If you're struggling, then it's the wrong wiper. Now over here, these ends will clip into there, that end piece. I don't know if you can see it there. So as we go along, should clip. And you hear that? Now it's in. As you can see there, it was pretty hard to get off. What I mean by that is, you'll be deciding, well, that's weird for it to slide on here. You got to, if that went on that way, and then this was turned around, and then that end will be this end, the curvature is right. Right, so the best way to get this on is to get your metal each side. Okay, get your metal each side. Get your metal each side, and then make sure you cut a bit of length off, otherwise you're gonna, as you put it on, it's gonna get all over the place and in the wrong grooves and all that. So you just get it started. Don't worry about too much down the ends, as long as they're at their ends, and just get it feeding, and it will start running in by itself. Otherwise you'll be there forever trying to line it all up. And this is what happens when you don't have the right cut. You can see there, a bit of a struggle, and there. So make sure everything's right and in the right length. See, there's a bit of a gap there on that one. So I'm going to pull this back. I'll push it back. Yeah, and push on. That's it, done. There you go. And pull, like that, and it goes, like that. Well, it looks like every once in a while you gotta change the whole arm. No, they're not cracks. But anyway, okay, so in we go. Like that. Right, test time.
And here's Green Day. The American Dream is killing me. 104.5 Triple M.
So as you can see, works fine. Yeah, so I need to clean the windscreen a bit better and on the inside, but as you can see, it looks fine. These wipers will come in handy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps someone out, as it did my last one. Thank you.